Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About tutorial, and in this tutorial we will see salaries on Indeed. Guys, if you are trying to do job any specific company and you want to know the salary average salary packages of any company, then how will you see the salary of that company? So let's check it out. We are going on company reviews. So guys, as you can see, there are so many companies and you can click on their profile and see what are they paying to their employees. If I go with this company, which is Unilever, and it is a very famous company. So now we are on the company's profile. So as you can see, there is all the details of this company, and on this company's profile here you can see salaries. Click on the salaries, and so here you can see the salaries of their assistant managers and management trainees, and the other popular jobs. They are paying to their internees 17,782 per month, and this package is for resource officer, and this is for manager, a brand manager, and this is the office assistant. So guys, as you can see, they are showing their salary packages publicly over here. If you want to do job in this company, or if you want to do job in any of company, then you can go on Indeed and you can see their employees salaries, and you can apply for a job confidently, and then you can get the idea of their salary packages. So guys, this is how to see company salaries on Indeed. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.